Odisha Director General of Fire Services Sudhanshu Sarangi stated that earlier today that a nationwide civil defence mock drill is scheduled to be conducted tomorrow with the primary objective of preparing civilians for potential enemy attacks. He explained that the exercise is designed not only to ready the general public but also to test the coordination and effectiveness of various emergency response agencies under the Unified Civil Defence Framework. Sarangi indicated that all key services responsible for safeguarding civilians will be mobilized during the drill. He added that both district level and state level control rooms will be fully activated to stimulate a real-time emergency response. Stressing the importance of preparedness, he said the exercise would help access and strengthen the state's overall response mechanism. According to him, the mock drill marks a critical step in enhancing public awareness and operational readiness. He expressed hope that the state would achieve complete preparedness to handle any unforeseen crisis within the next week.
Country, tomorrow there is going to be a mock drill. It's a civil defense drill. The purpose of the mock drill is to prepare the civilian population for any enemy attack and to prepare them and the other agencies to deal with the aftermath of an attack. Civil defense organization under the Geneva Convention is exempt from wars. So all the services which are to protect the civilian population, give them uninterrupted services like electricity, water, health services, they will all be functioning under the umbrella of civil defense. We will have district control rooms, state control rooms activated. Our civil defense units will be activated. This is a mock drill, and we hope beginning from tomorrow, within a week or so, we will complete preparedness of our population to face any untoward incident. As you know,